Good morning with your daily COVID-19 update from Manitowoc County. Reporting one additional case, so the grand total of cases stands at 29 confirmed positive cases in the county. I wanted to talk a little bit about this idea of contact tracing this morning and what that all entails. We talk a lot about testing, but testing is really the idea there is that we use it as a way to prevent the spread of the virus. And testing alone doesn't prevent the spread of the virus, but this contact tracing that our health department does help prevent the spread. So what happens when you get tested? If your test result comes back positive, the health department will call you, and at that point in time, they put you on what's called an isolation. And you are in isolation until you're symptom-free for several days. So every day that you're in isolation, the health department actually reaches out to you or relies on you to self-report your symptoms, so temperature, other symptoms, to get an idea of how you're doing and to see when you can be released from isolation. Again, several symptom-free days have to pass. The other thing that they ask you when you test positive is who have you been in direct contact with? So people that you've spent a lot of time with, people that you've been closer than 6 feet to for more than 10 minutes, really people that you've had close contact with. Those people are then contacted by the health department and put on what's called a quarantine. So isolation is for sick people. Quarantine is for people who have been in direct contact with the virus and therefore also need to stay home for a period of time to make sure they don't develop symptoms. So just like those in isolation, they're symptom monitoring, checking temperatures every day, documenting symptoms to make sure they don't come down with it. And that's really how, with testing, we help slow the spread of the virus. So our health department's been very busy doing a lot of contact tracing, and we anticipate doing even more contact tracing as we continue to do more testing